If all you ever wanted as a child was to attend the Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, then your dream will finally come true when you get to see these actual sets used in the movies. You'll walk through the Gryffindor common room, Dumbledore's office, and even Snape's potion classroom. This is where the magic truly begins.
You're a wizard, Harry.
The tour starts with a short film featuring our beloved trio, Harry, Ron, and Hermione, who will guide you through the Great Hall. Yes, the actual Great Hall where they filmed many iconic scenes in the movies. Goosebumps, right? But did you know that the Great Hall was actually one of the first sets ever built for the series? It's been standing since the year 2000. I only wish that they allowed more time for visitors to take it all in. But since there are timed entries for each group, you only get about 10 to 15 minutes to spend in the Great Hall, so use it wisely. This next part of the tour is equally as jaw-dropping as the first, and don't worry, from here on out, you can explore everything at your own pace. What makes this Harry Potter experience so superior to any other out there is that this one is the real deal. Yep, this studio tour features actual sets, costumes, and props used in the making of the Harry Potter film. Take a moment to let that sink in. There's so much to see during this part of the tour, such as props like the Goblet of Fire, and so many iconic costumes used by the actors through the years. So take your time here before you move on. Next up, you'll get to walk through one of the largest sets on the tour, the Forbidden Forest. Fun fact, this set was so detailed and intricate that it took the crew months to create the lifelike forest. During your stroll, don't forget to bow to Buckbeak and say hello to Aragog and his family. Before I reveal the next part, here's another challenge for you. Can you guess how many wands were created for the movie? Stick around because the answer might just surprise you. Next, you'll find yourself on platform 9 3/4 standing next to none other than the Hogwarts Express. This iconic train played such a crucial role in the film, and now you also get to walk through the carriages and relive those magical moments.
Anything off the trolley, dears?
But definitely don't forget to snap that cheesy photo pushing the trolley through the wall. It's a rite of passage even if you're a muggle. This set concludes the first half of the tour, which will take you around 2 to 3 hours to get through. You'll probably be hungry at this point, so take a break for refreshments and don't forget to try the butterbeer. It's surprisingly good. This rest area between the two parts of the studio also has a few pleasant surprises for you to enjoy, like 4 Privet Drive, Professor Sprout's greenhouse, and here's a picture of me nerding out in the Flying Forward Anglia from the Chamber of Secrets. What most people find out after booking this tour is that the Harry Potter studio is not actually in London. It's located about 20 miles outside of the city in Watford. So if you choose to get there on your own, you'll need to take the train from central London to Watford Station and then take the Harry Potter shuttle to the studio. It'll take you about an hour to get there, so plan accordingly if you choose this option. So far, the tour has been pretty amazing, but the second half of the tour has the most exciting part of this entire experience, so don't go just yet. The first thing you'll experience during this half is the Creatures Department. Here you'll learn exactly how the Harry Potter team brought the magic to life on screen. Then you'll get to walk through Gringotts and see all the vaults for yourself before getting to the most anticipated part of the tour, Diagon Alley. If any of you have ever visited the Harry Potter theme parks at Universal Studios, you'll see how the replica of such an iconic set is no match for the original. Walking through here just feels magical. Spend every minute you can just admiring the set because it's truly deserving of it. What really sets this tour apart from all the others is the craftsmanship and artistry on display. You get to see intricate models like the giant Hogwarts castle used for aerial shots. This masterpiece took over 40 days to build and is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the crew. It makes you emotional just looking at it. This second half of the tour will take you around 1.5 hours to get through depending on your pace. Overall, you should plan on spending 7 to 8 hours or a half-day trip to visit the Harry Potter studio, including the travel time to and from London. And before I forget, the answer to the wand question, over 3,000 wands were made throughout the series. Crazy, right? So if you're still wondering whether it's worth it or not to visit the Harry Potter London studio tour, take my word for it when I say that this experience is a must for Harry Potter fans of all ages. Authenticity means that the tickets are a bit pricey, but it will cost you less to come here than it would to see a replica of Diagon Alley at Universal Studios. The most convenient option is to buy tickets with private bus transfers included on Get Your Guide. This way you won't have to worry about getting there on your own. But if you're looking for the cheapest option, you can buy tickets directly from their website. But keep in mind that this ticket will not include transfers to and from London. And whether you consider yourself a wizard or a muggle, let me know in the comments what part of the tour are you most excited about. And if you're looking for more fun things to do while in London, make sure to watch this video next. Until next time, mischief managed.